This is John Pinelli, financial representative, going to be talking to you today about commodity trading. Now, commodity trading is something that is not typically recommended for someone who is a beginner to the investment world. Commodities are things like everything from pork bellies to corn to coal to gold and other precious metals. And the way commodities work is they're typically traded in the form of futures. And what that means is you agree to purchase this amount of this commodity, say 100 bushels of wheat, at this specified price. Now what you're betting on is you're betting that the price of that wheat will go up in the meantime, and that you won't have 100 bushels of wheat delivered to your house, but you'll in turn be able to sell that future for more money than what you paid for it. If you've seen the movie Trading Spaces, they participate in commodities trading, and it can be quite risky. You can make a ton of money in a single day, you can lose a ton of money in a single day, and there's a lot of outside factors that can affect these commodities. For example, looking at a commodity like oranges. Suppose there's a large storm some year in Florida, or big earthquake in California, and all of a sudden the orange supply has gone down a lot. That could boost the prices of oranges up, and that individual future that you hold could potentially be of very high value. On the other hand, they could make an announcement that all of a sudden there's an overabundance of oranges, or somebody could say that oranges might be bad for you, or the new diet anti-trend. So that could drive the price of that future down. So I mean, there are a ton of outside factors, and that can really affect the value of those futures in commodities. So for beginners, I would not suggest looking at commodities. But like I said, they can be very profitable, and you can make a lot of money there. And they are typically basic items that people use and need every day. So this has been John Pinelli, financial representative, talking to you today about commodities.